This isn't really my tool bag, but it's my bag that I have on the front of my bike, and my tool bag is in here and a couple other things. Okay. Well, rain pants, a cushion, a little headlamp. I don't know, I never ride at night. Why would I have a headlamp? But you never know. I believe this is my patch kit. Here it comes. What's in here? Oh yeah, patch kit. You know, sandpaper, patches, glue, a small little snap-off knife, valve stem, super glue, toothpicks. I like the little round toothpicks. I stick them in the hole when I find them. And then alcohol wipes and a couple sheets of toilet paper. Always handy. Okay, we have a rag. We have a bike pump. Oh yeah, this thing. This is a, I guess you call it a cam lock pulley, and leftovers from my strap that pulls my motor down. Yeah, that's this green stuff here. I made this to hold the handlebars straight, and some paracord. This is that pulley thing. I can just do this up with the paracord or the strap and pull my bike up. I can't lift it. I guess maybe a trucker hitch would work, but I had this thing, so I threw it in here. It's not heavy. Okay, what do we got here? Oh yeah, more strap. A funnel. A DIY funnel from a that water, those water bottles. I can't think of the name of it now. Oh yeah, pair of gloves some outfit sent begging for money. An extra tube. We have a multi-tool. Crappy multi-tool, better no multi-tool. What else we got in here? Here's the heavyweight stuff. What else is down in here? Oh yeah, rubber bungee core, trucker bungee. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, you get so far down there. We'll just pause this a second. Here we go. Okay, what do we got here? Okay. Extra nuts and bolts. I guess I gotta put a master link in there, but it's basics, you know. And a slip joint pliers, another rag, assorted screwdriver tips, a little ratchety thing, just a wrench, tire levers, spark plug, extension for the ratchet, spark plug wrench, more tips, the Allen wrenches, a 10 mil socket, and the rod for the spark plug wrench. I wonder if this would work in there. Oh yeah, we don't need this in there anymore. Okay. A zip tie and this. I put electric tape and Gorilla or T-Rex tape around a cigarette lighter. So I've got a little tape, good for quickie repairs. And that's the bottom of the bag.